The mind is a beautiful gift. What a terrible thing to waste. The truth is, we waste a lot of our mind. Every time we build habits, we're creating sometimes great habits that help us, but also they hinder us from achieving new things, from truly embracing everything that is out there, all the possibilities. See, the RAS, I'm talking a lot about the RAS lately. The RAS can be both a gift and a curse. And I want everyone to feel empowered enough to control it, as opposed to having it control us. Positive habits can become prisons, believe it or not. By changing up our routine, by expanding our horizons, by going into new environments, exploring the world, exploring relationships, exploring inner relationships too, we're able to shake things up enough to build our neuroplasticity. And that is a sign of a healthy brain. The ability to cope with changes, to realize that control is just an illusion. Real power is when you admit to yourself, yeah, you have no control, but you're gonna be okay because your neuroplasticity is able to handle whatever comes at you. So let's go over some of the tools.